It's family time and we know how you feel. Let's celebrate.
Hey guys, Chef Mark here. Got my daughter Allison with me. The other one, Mackenzie's running around here somewhere. She can't quite reach the counter.
That's good.
Maybe that's a good thing, right? We're gonna make a classic grilled cheese sandwich. As a chef, I can't help but set myself up like I was doing any other technique, let's say even like a pan searing. I use mise en place, which means everything in its place so I can get the job done. I could stand right here. Cheese, butter, bread. Can you grab me the bread, please? Thank you. So I got the bread, and this happens to be white with oatmeal. It's what we have on hand, but we also have in the freezer some sourdough bread that I make, which is delicious. I know somebody around here also likes the 27 grain for a good bit of texture. It's really your choice. Just about any bread's gonna work with this. Nice thin slices, and we're gonna make a great grilled cheese. If it was a little bit thicker, I might use the broiler to melt the cheese a little bit, but I think these thin slices like this are gonna work great. Butter on the bottom of the bread just to make sure that it gets evenly toasted on the bottom. Then we got cheese. I'm a big cheddar fan. This one likes American, but she also likes provolone and I call it Munster.
Cheese.
What do you call it?
Monster cheese.
Monster cheese, right. So Monster cheese goes on. We're gonna spin it halfway through to make sure it's evenly browning. All right, so good time to check it, but it's also good at this point maybe to stack on top of each other. This way I can concentrate on one side only, get that beautiful brown and warmed all the way through. You also see some stuff here on the side which you may not normally use. This I like to use. Some of us like panini style type sandwich, so a heavy cast iron pan to compress that a little bit. I've also got a pan here with a rack on it so that after I make the first one, if I've got 6 others hanging around ready for grilled cheese sandwiches, we can all eat at the same time. Nice hot sandwiches because I've turned my oven about 200 degrees and I've stacked them in there, kept them until the last one's ready. Come out, all 6 are ready at the same time. All right, Allison, it's time to dig into this bad boy. Team triangle, right? Not squares.
We sometimes do squares.
We don't do squares. Here we go. What do you think?
It's delicious.